Hello everyone, I am Abbas Muhammad Nouri, lecturer at the Northern Technical University, Technical College of Kirkuk, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we have a lecture about the digital cartography subject for the fourth stage. The first lecture or the first topic of the digital cartography, which is introduction of digital cartography. We can say digital mapping or digital cartography. What is digital cartography? Digital cartography is the information collected and used to represent a map on a computer screen is known as digital map data. Actually, there is difference between cartography and digital cartography. When we say cartography, we represent the feature or the phenomena on the paper, hard copy. When we say digital mapping, it is different. The collected data and which is represented, the feature or phenomena represented on a computer screen. That's the difference between them. Okay. There are two types of digital map data, which is raster data and vector data. In the cartography, we have just two types of data. Every phenomena or feature can represent depend on the data we use in two type of data we can represent it, which is vector and raster. Okay, what is a vector and what is raster? Raster data is produced by converting paper map into a series of pixel data. When we say raster we can express by pixel. Everyone have a camera. The camera take a picture by the pixel. If the pixel is small, the dimension is small, which is high resolution. If the pixel is large, the resolution is small. Okay. And every pixel have a value. This value represent the feature or the phenomena, and the vector data is a map detail in the form of point, line, and polygon. Like street or road, we can express the road by the line, and the points used for like tree or everything represented by the point, like also the wells or station, and the polygon used for the border like buildings, border of the when we have a big area and closed by the border. This is we can express by the polygon. Okay, digital mapping, map information stored, displayed on a computer screen. That's the advantage of the digital mapping. When we use digital mapping, we can store and display on the computer, and also we can edit it. While when you use cartography paper, we cannot update it or edit this map. Okay, we have five important advantage of digital map. The first one, real-time redesign. The second, identity. Third, query. Fourth, link to non-spatial data. Fifth, spatial analysis. Real-time redesign. Digital map can be redesigned by the user based on specific need. That's the advantage of the digital map. We can redesign, we can edit the data when you have a road. After that, this road you can edit and put more information, or you map an area, and after 1 year established another building, you can draw this building and update the map. Identity, the ability to identify an object on the map provides a robust interaction with the graphic element not available to paper map. Here, when you compare between cartography and digital cartography, after you establish or design the map, you can extract information from this map. While in the cartography, when you write a map or design a map, you cannot extract information. For example, when you draw a road, when you draw a road, you put some information, the width of the road, or the coordinates, or the number of the type and name of this road. After that, according to this data, you can extract the road you needed. For example, when you have many roads with width 6 meter, 8 meter, 12 meter, by the digital cartography, you can, when you need to extract the road with width 6 meter, just you select it, and you can extract this type you need. Query is the ability to query information related to the map form, is an exciting advantage. Map readers can reduce the complexity of the spatial information and focus on the only on selected element. When you select element, when you have a large data, you need some data. Just by the query, you can extract this small selected element. Link to non-spatial data. The link to data allows digital map to access additional information not currently shown on the map. When you have a building, every building have a name, and for the name or information which is non-spatial. When you say spatial, we say that it's x and y coordinate of the building or tree or anything. Actually, when you link it, you link to the non-spatial data, like how when the data is name of the building, just click on the building, you can find the non-spatial data, the information about this data. Spatial analysis. Spatial analysis is the more important advantage of the digital map. The final advantage of the digital map is the ability for the user to perform both simple and complex spatial analysis tasks, such as buffer overlay and others. When you compare with the map, you cannot do the spatial analysis. While the digital cartography, you can make a spatial analysis. For example, when you need to find the suitable site of school or hospital or hospital, just you can put the information, you put the data, and you make a analysis, and you can find the area which is suitable for new hospital or new school. The relationship between the cartography and cartographical feature are, which is point feature, linear feature, which is line, area feature, which is polygon. Okay, all individual feature associated with two type of data, which are positional data and attribute data. When we say positional data, we express the x and y. Every point have x and y, or the line, you have the first point and second point. Each point have the x and y. Also, where attribute data, which is non-spatial data. You can link between this non-spatial data with the positional data. The attribute data like numerical attribute, size, area, text, or anything, and semantic attribute like name, classes, or quality of the feature. Okay, digitizing. Digitizing is the process of the converting the geographic feature on an analog map into digital format. When you have a map, analog map or hard copy map, we can convert the feature which is drawn on the map to the digital format. Digital format like point, line, polygon, or raster. Digitizer, it is the machine or devices that aids the user in converting geographic feature to digital representing. As display device, there are raster and vector digitizer. We have two type of digitizer, two type of device. The first one convert the analog map to the raster format. The second convert it to the vector format. Generally, there are three methods of digitizing, which are pointing method, linear method, scanning method. Pointing and linear method, which we can say it's a vector digitizer, and scanning method, which is raster method. Okay. The selection of any type from two digitizing method, which are scanning or pointing method, depend on type of the available program that we can use and the ability of the computer system in processing the information. It's important. There is many methods or types of program that convert the analog map to a digital map, and also the ability of the computer system in processing the information. Okay, the architecture of digital cartography. The architecture of digital cartography depend on the cartographic data, which are consist of point data and attribute data. When you say point data, it's X and Y data, and also the pixel also has the X and Y data, while we say attribute data, which is non-spatial data like description data. There are many factors which can affect the accuracy of the digitizing process. The first one, resolution. The second, consistency, the third stability. The resolution, it depends on the machine or device. Some device has high resolution when you convert the data, convert it to the small pixels, which is high resolution, while some machine has low resolution, convert the data to the large pixel. Okay. And consistency, and uniformity, where it's depend also on the type of the machine and the also the program, the software you used. The third one, stability. The stability depends on the person who draw the map, or convert from the analog to the digital, how this person is precise, how to go right or convert the data with stable and no error. The process of converting paper contour map into vector format include the following steps. Scanning the map. The first, you put the map and you scan the map. After you scan the map, you remove the noise. All paper map have some noises. After, when you put it to the computer, you remove this noise. Then detection, linearization, how when you have a road, how you detect the road, and you put the mouse on the road or the pen and write this road with stable. And then vectorization of the contour, how you convert this contour to the vector, like line. Scanning method. The scanning is the process of converting of the paper map into digital format, usable by the computer, is known as scanning. When you have a map, it's shown in the figure, we put the map to the scanner, then this map showed on the screen. This process called scanning method. It is used to convert an analog map into a scanned file, which is again converted to the vector format through tracing. Scanning automatically capture map, feature, text, and symbol as individual cell or pixel and produce an automated image. When you scan the map, actually you need to remove the text on the map. This is removing the noise. What are disadvantages of scanning method? Converting large map with small format scanning requires tedious resampling of individual parts. This happens when you have a device with low resolution and you need and you have a paper with high resolution. It depends on the device. Actually, it's how you can say, when you have a camera with 3 when you have a camera with 3 megapixel, or when you have a camera with 20 megapixel. Actually, the 3 megapixel with low resolution and the 20 megapixel with high resolution. If the map is precise, when you use the 3 megapixel, the pixel is big and the data will converted with low resolution, while when you use a camera with 20 megapixel has a large resolution, and when you convert this map and you got the high resolution digital data. The second, large formats high resolution scan are expensive. Also, depend on the prices of the device. The device with high resolution, it's expensive. The third, despite recent advances in vectorization software, considerable manual editing and attribute labeling may still is required. We have a scanner device with high resolution, actually after you scan it, also you need to remove the noise. You need to edit manually. We use automated scanning when we have large data. This is to save time. When you have a map with more detail, it's impossible to digitize this large data. Actually, we use scanning automated to automatically scan this data to the digital map. Why digitize when I can scan? Generally, scanning map gives all information on the sheet, even any dirty or defect, while digitizing gives only what the wearer exactly need, usually for deeply looking to technical procedure, gained accuracy of scanning digitizing. If we have a device of scanner and has a high spatial resolution, it have some disadvantage. When you scan it, also the scanning map give all information. Sometimes we need part of information, part of the information. We not need all information. For this type, we can use digitizer. We can digitize this information, just we need it. What is the factors control on the digital map accuracy? The factor, which is the first one, the scale of the map affect the accuracy of the digitizing method. The second, the map coordinate through digitizing are defined according to the some ticks. This, when we digitize the analog map to the digital map, it's important to georeference this analog map to give us the exact position or exact coordinate of all objects. The distribution of taken ticks is strongly affect the accuracy obtained from the digitizing map. When you digitize, it's important to someone with a stable and with the precise can draw the line or point or polygon. Thank you. From this lecture, actually, we find something that which is I can use digitizing method and scanning method. Which is better? Actually, we cannot say which one of them is better. The digitizing method used to detect exactly the information that I needed. When you have a lot of information, when I need some of this information, I use digitizing method. When I need the all information appear on the screen or converted to the digital map, I use scanning method. But the disadvantage of the scanning method, it's converted all noise, any information, text to the or dirty the map. If the map is dirty, also converted to the data. After that, we should remove this noise. Thank you very much.